So this is how loud my washing machine is on its spin cycle. When I first moved in, I thought there was a helicopter landing on our roof. And today, I'm gonna fix it. We'll call it cheap fixing it. Okay, so look, in, out. So what it is, just got an inflatable, not an inflatable, a floatable noodle like you have at the pool. And then the noodles were collapsing a little bit under the pressure. A dowel rod would be really great for the length to keep from collapsing, but I also realized that a wine cork fit the ID well. And I thought I'd keep it a little classier. So there's some washer noise fixed on the cheap.